Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Family. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to learn 30 important English idioms. Idioms are special English phrases. They do not mean exactly what the words say. Native English speakers use idioms every single day. If you understand idioms, your English will sound very natural. Before we start, here is today's question. What does it mean when someone says, break a leg? Does it mean someone will break their leg? Write your answer in the comments right now. The answer is inside today's conversation. Let's begin. Good morning, David. You look tired. Are you okay?
Good morning, Sarah. Yes, I am a little tired. I was burning the midnight oil last night.
Oh, what does that mean, burning the midnight oil?
It means working very late at night. I was finishing a big project for work. I worked until 2 in the morning.
Wow, that is a long time. So, burning the midnight oil means working late at night. I understand.
Yes, and now I need a lot of coffee. I am running on empty this morning.
Running on empty? What does that mean?
It means you have no energy. Like a car with no petrol. I feel very tired and I have no energy left.
Oh, I understand. Running on empty. No energy, very tired. I sometimes feel that way on Monday mornings.
Me too. But today, I have a big meeting. I cannot be tired. I need to be ready.
You will be fine, David. Just drink your coffee. I know you always rise to the occasion.
What does that mean?
Rise to the occasion means when something is difficult, you do your best. You perform well even when it is hard.
Oh, that is a nice idiom. Thank you, Sarah. I will try to rise to the occasion today.
David, I heard your meeting did not go well. What happened?
It was difficult. My boss was not happy with my report. He said I need to go back to the drawing board.
Go back to the drawing board? What does that mean?
It means start again from the beginning. My report was not good. I need to start it again completely.
Oh, that sounds hard. I am sorry, David. But do not worry. Every problem has a solution. Do not throw in the towel.
Throw in the towel? What does that mean?
It means give up. Stop trying. I am saying do not give up. Keep trying.
Ah, I understand. Throw in the towel means give up. Don't worry, Sarah. I will never throw in the towel.
Good. I knew you would say that. You know, sometimes we all hit a brick wall.
Hit a brick wall? What does that mean?
It means you stop making progress. A problem stops you from moving forward. Like a wall in front of you, you cannot pass it.
Yes, that is exactly how I feel right now. I hit a brick wall with this report, but I will find a way around it.
That is the right attitude. And remember, every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining. I know this one. It means something good can come from something bad, right?
Exactly right. You are learning idioms very fast, David. You are doing great.
Sarah, did you hear about our friend Mike? He got a new job.
Really? That is wonderful. He has been looking for a long time. He must be over the moon.
Over the moon? What does that mean?
It means extremely happy. Very, very happy. Like floating to the moon because you are so happy.
Oh, I love that idiom. Yes, Mike is definitely over the moon. He called me last night and talked for 1 hour about his new job.
Ha! He always talks 19 to the dozen when he is excited.
Talks 19 to the dozen? What does that mean?
It means talking very, very fast. When someone is excited, they talk so quickly you can barely understand them.
That is exactly Mike. He talks 19 to the dozen when he is happy.
His new job sounds very good. I think he will hit the ground running.
Hit the ground running? What does that mean?
It means to start something new with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. You begin working hard immediately. No slow start.
Ah, I understand. Hit the ground running, start with full energy. Yes, that is Mike. He always starts everything with so much energy.
He is a very go-getter. He never wastes time.
What is a go-getter?
A go-getter is a person who works very hard and always tries to succeed. Someone who does not wait. They go and get what they want.
I want to be a go-getter too.
David, have you decided what to eat? We have been here for 10 minutes.
I know. I am still deciding. I am always sitting on the fence when I look at menus.
Sitting on the fence. What does that mean?
It means I cannot make a decision. I do not choose one side or the other. I stay in the middle, like sitting on a fence between two sides.
Ah, yes, I know that feeling. But David, you need to stop sitting on the fence and just order.
You are right. Okay, I will order the pasta. I need to take the bull by the horns sometimes.
Yes, take the bull by the horns means deal with a difficult situation directly and with confidence. Make a decision and do it.
Exactly. No more sitting on the fence. I took the bull by the horns. I chose the pasta.
Good. And the pasta here is delicious. It is second to none.
Second to none? What does that mean?
It means the best, better than everything else. Nothing is better. It is second to none.
Oh, second to none means number one, the best. I like that idiom.
Me too. This restaurant is second to none in this area. I always come here when I want good food.
I can see why. Sarah, thank you for bringing me here. You always hit the nail on the head when you choose restaurants.
Hit the nail on the head means to be exactly right. You said the perfect thing or made the perfect choice.
Yes, you hit the nail on the head by choosing this restaurant. It is perfect.
Yes, it is.
Sarah, I am so full after that dinner. I think I bit off more than I could chew with that big plate of pasta.
Bit off more than you could chew. That means you tried to do or eat more than you could handle, right?
Exactly. I ordered too much food. I could not finish it. I bit off more than I could chew, literally.
That happens to me too sometimes, especially with dessert. I always think I can eat more than I really can.
Sarah, can I ask you something? At work, my colleague Tom always passes the buck when there is a problem.
Oh, I know that type of person. Pass the buck means blame someone else. When there is a problem, they do not take responsibility. They say it is someone else's fault.
Yes, that is exactly what Tom does. He never takes responsibility for anything.
That is very frustrating. You should let the cat out of the bag and tell your manager.
Let the cat out of the bag? What does that mean?
It means reveal a secret. Tell someone information that was being kept secret.
Ah, so if I tell my manager about Tom, I'm letting the cat out of the bag.
Exactly. Sometimes it is necessary. You don't want Tom's behavior to spill over into your work.
Spill over? What does that mean?
It means when a problem from one area affects another area, like water spilling from one glass into another.
I understand. I do not want Tom's problems to spill over into my work. I need to nip this in the bud.
Nip it in the bud. Yes, that means stop a problem before it gets bigger. Deal with it early before it grows.
Exactly. I will talk to my manager tomorrow. I will nip this problem in the bud before it gets worse.
David, what are your plans for next year? Do you have any big goals?
Yes, I want to turn over a new leaf next year. I want to make some changes in my life.
Turn over a new leaf. I love that idiom. It means make a fresh start, change your behavior or habits, become better.
Exactly. I want to exercise more, eat healthy, and work smarter. I feel like next year is a clean slate for me.
Clean slate means a fresh start, like a blank piece of paper. Nothing is written on it yet. You can write anything you want.
Yes, a clean slate. I'm excited about it. Sarah, do you have any big plans?
I want to learn a new skill. I have been thinking about it for a long time, but I keep putting it on the back burner.
On the back burner, what does that mean?
It means something you want to do, but you keep delaying it. It is not your main priority right now. You put it behind other things.
Oh, I have many things on the back burner. But Sarah, you should stop putting it off. Just do it.
You're right. I need to bite the bullet and just start.
Bite the bullet. What does that mean?
It means do something difficult or unpleasant that you have been avoiding. Just do it, even if it is hard or scary.
I like that one. Bite the bullet. Just do the difficult thing. We should both bite the bullet and start our new goals right away.
Agreed. No more waiting. Let's not beat around the bush. We start tomorrow.
Beat around the bush means avoid talking about the main point directly, right?
Exactly. Stop avoiding the topic. Say what you mean directly. And I'm saying directly, we start our new goals tomorrow.
Okay. No beating around the bush. We start tomorrow.
Amazing work today, everyone. You listened to a real English conversation, and you learned 30 important English idioms. Let's remember some of them together. Burning the midnight oil, working very late at night. Hit the nail on the head, to be exactly right. Every cloud has a silver lining. Something good can come from something bad. Turn over a new leaf. Make a fresh start. Bite the bullet. Do something difficult that you were avoiding. Do you remember today's question? I asked, what does break a leg mean? Does it mean someone will break their leg? The answer is no. Break a leg is an idiom that means good luck. People say break a leg before a performance, a presentation, or an exam. Write in the comments. Did you get the answer right? Also, which idiom was your favorite today? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple English Family so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.